guys, this video is going to be a very simple and budget-friendly back porch makeover, but first I want to show you what it looked like when I started. Here it is. We probably haven't been out on the deck in well over a year, at least since last summer. We've had quite a few storms, everything is kind of blown over from the wind, and it just hasn't been cleaned at all, so it's looking pretty rough. We've got a Christmas tree stand out here or two. There's a Halloween planter or lantern, and we get lots and lots of pollen around this time of year. So here's a nice shot of all the dried pollen. This is one reason why I've put this off, because I wanted to make sure that the pollen sort of season was over with. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just kind of clean up everything. Since I work from home now, my view from my desk is straight out these back two doors. So I've been looking at this dirty deck for quite a while, and I wanted to get it cleaned up just to have a nicer view to look at. So I'm just going to sweep all these old leaves off first, and then I'll start cleaning up a little bit of the mess. I see a lot of these really weird lizards around our house this time of year. They're not the normal green lizards, but like the blue and black striped one. So when I pick this pillow up, you can see here the one's underneath the pillow and he goes running around. They don't scare me, but I don't know what kind of lizard they are. If you get these around your house and you know what they are, let me know. I'm really curious. Now I'm just picking up old trash and throwing it over the edge. I'll put some things by the road. I've got this Christmas tree stand that's been sitting out here since we threw our real Christmas tree away last year. This Halloween lantern I'll probably stick back up in the attic. It's been sitting out here since last Halloween. And this window frame I got at a thrift store a couple of years ago, and I just stuck it out here for decoration because I wasn't really sure what to do with it. I'm kind of tired of it, don't think it looks good out here, so I'll probably just take that back to the thrift store. And now I'm just going to take a broom and try to get all of the dead leaves and dirt and pollen off of the cushions, just kind of beat them to get the pollen out. Here's a nice close-up of all the dried pollen on the cushions. We actually just had a rainstorm yesterday, so all of these cushions are wet and damp underneath, and the leaves are all damp, so it's going to be kind of gross to clean, but I'm going to try to do my best to get these cushions as clean as I can.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.
I've had this rug for a couple of years. I got it at Walmart for I think around $40 or $50 maybe. It's been a really good rug, but it's really taken a beating, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and retire it and put down a new one this year. Next, I'm going to take some good old Dawn dish detergent and water and use this Dollar Tree scrub brush to scrub all of the actual furniture. This is all dried pollen. It comes off really easily, but I do want to just scrub it down really good, and then I'm going to spray it with water, and then I'll move on to tackling the cushions.
Every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I saw her up on the hill, on her way to the mill, proud and all out. But where are you now?
Now I'm going to try to scrub these cushions as best I can. I'm just using the dish soap and water, but I probably should have used some bleach to try and get the mold and pollen off of these cushions, but I may try to go out in a couple of weeks and scrub them down again with something that's more appropriate for these cushions. I just did the best I could at the time. I didn't want to get bleach all over my clothes, but I did get them pretty decently cleaned.
Restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home. Let me lend you a hand. Let me in on the plan. Together we're stronger. Don't wait any longer. Years have passed and restless legs have settled.
I've scrubbed the furniture, I've scrubbed the cushions, and now I'm going to try to clean the deck off a little. You can see in areas where it's kind of yellow right there where the pollen is. So I'm going to let everything else air dry while I work on the actual deck.
What a release to find one's peace. What a landscape to never be less. Now, years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top.
Now I'm going to show you the few things that I bought to decorate the deck with. I didn't want to buy a bunch of unnecessary things and spend a ton of money. I just wanted to kind of replace the pillows and the rug that we had back here. So I went to Walmart and I bought some of these $5 outdoor pillows. They have these every year. The thing that I like about the pillows this year is that they have a little zipper at the bottom of them that you can actually unzip the cover off and wash those. That is going to come in really handy for me because, as you can see in the beginning of the video, I had to throw away several pillows that I had gotten at Walmart. a few years back because they had just gotten so dirty. And this is the new rug that I got. It was $20 and it's sort of a plasticky material, but it was inexpensive. I thought that it would be a lot easier to clean, and even if it only lasts me a year, I didn't spend a ton of money on it. And it is really cute. It's a little black and white print. So now that the deck is dry, I'm going to go ahead and lay the rug out and position the furniture where I want it.
Misty blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. The shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything to say hello.
The cushions aren't completely dry yet, but I'm going to go ahead and put them back where they go. They will probably take overnight to fully dry, but that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cushions on and stick my pillows on. These Walmart outdoor pillows are really a great deal, and I love them because they're two-sided. So I'm just going to use the black and white stripes on one side, and I got 2 of these bee pillows, and one side I'm just going to turn over and use the yellow and white stripes. And then I did purchase a fern to go out here. This is a jumbo fern, and it was $20, which is a little bit expensive, but when I saw it, it was the only one sitting out there and it was just perfect looking, so I went ahead and got it. So my total for this makeover was about $55. I bought 3 pillows at Walmart for $5 each. The rug was $20, and then my fern was $20 as well. So that completes my very simple and budget-friendly back porch makeover. I love the way it turned out, and now I'll have a much nicer view out the back doors as I'm working every day. We did add a couple of bird feeders to the back porch because I've been seeing a lot of birds come back here, a lot of cardinals and little Carolina wrens, which is our state bird. So we got them a little bird feeder right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like these, and I will see you guys in the next one.